So any ranking your website to the search engine, we can do for search engine submission. Same website to ranking for n number of third-party website without submitting manual to ranking for your website in third-party website. This will be submitted only for one time into one website. This is suitable for only for home page. Copy the URL. First website nimtools.com. In this, backlink checker is there, backlink maker is there. I'm doing for backlink maker. So how the backlink will be shown on your website? I'm setting Notepad. Suppose your website will be abc.com. After submission, any website, backlink will be generated by like this. abc.com website indexing for which website? xyz.com. If anybody searching for title and description, they're showing for like this. Your website will showing for like this. Some website will showing for like this. Two option. I'll show here. Copy the URL. Now click for submit. Dot similar sites.com. Which one you submitting for? Dot trueintent.com. For showing for success. Now click the URL. Now the indexing will be started. They show your content within a fraction of hours. Now started. Now they are decided by all category. The information will provide by which website? Similarsite.com. Second one. You can check each and every website. They're providing for your website information based on title and description. Without title, without description, don't mention by the backlink submission. One website to submit only for one time to generating for backlink submission. See here. Now index your site based on this site. Yes, copy this. Trueintent.com. They're providing for language by different. So clear. This is a website. Total information saved by the third party website. It will take time. Now I'm submitting. The total list will be taken by your particular website. What's the title here? Trueintent.com. When captured by your SEO title and description and captured by your websites. So we'll select everyone. So still error occurred in this website, not updating it exactly. Your total information here. Select it. Right now, so we will check your trueintent.com. So it down will be showing for every report will be here. So right now is indexing your total process. Is nothing but is generating for referral traffic. Same like you can submit for one more website is called smallseotools.com. Smallseotools.com. Just copy the URL. Now scroll down. What option call is backlinks. Backlink tools, checker and maker. You can check the backlinks. You can make the backlinks. Set by backlinks. Copy the URL and click the make a backlinks. These all come into under automatic backlinks. Any website submit your URL only for one time. Status is failed, is not accepting. Status will be success, it will be accept. And third one, some website depend on by your URL and your keywords. Some website depend on your URL and keywords. So URL, what are asking for? Keyword. Keyword writing for what are the mentioned by your option? You can select by keyword. You can use comma, don't use the pipe symbol. So how many backlinks you want? How many links will be accept? 1800. So right now I'm doing only submission for 100. Submit. Here, ping was created, they'll accept. Ping was failed, they not accept. All 100 pages, then all will be started. So what I'm showing here, everything will be success. What showing for? Into one, nothing but fail. The URL will be not accepted. Is waiting for here. I will check. Total they're providing for 90 or 100. Up to you can providing for 91. Backlink for small SEO tool. NIM tool. Just scroll down. Up to they're providing for 55 strong backlinks. So most of the NIM tool will be not failure by any backlinks. They give the exact backlinks which will be providing for exactly websites. Are they providing for strong? How many backlinks? 55 backlinks. Here will be out of 91, some will be failure by in your option. Still is processing here. 1 failure, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So right now in the 9 will be failure. And coming to this, still is processing going on. So once will be capture your total 100 pages, they started your create the all option. Please wait until your 100 pages are created. They are creating your file. Once creating your file, they submit your option.
Sir, how to remove